Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose color scheme on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings button under the vehicle. Here you can find the fourth button, the map view and units, and here you can find the first section, the map view. Click to the first option, the color scheme, and you can find different options, the switch automatically day, night, or follow system preference, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.